I have a charger.
I have what is this? I don't know. I have a badminton ball.
Can you throw your ball?
Ito. Then it's like a ping pong ball.
What do you say about mine?
You have a charger, right?
Yeah.
Can you? Ano English sa kanta sa tangtangon?
Huh?
Tangtangon.
Off.
Can you drop your charger?
Huh?
Can you drop your charger?
Drop?
Yes. What? That is not a charger, bro. It's like a heavy one. I think you're lying, bro.
Can you hit the ball with it in your face?
Done.
Okay.
Your
What do you
charger.
say about this?
Can you do a fun thing that your charger can do? What?
I think you like it.
You too? I think yours is like a heavy one. I think that's a lotion.
I think you have a Santa Claus.
No, I have ball. Oh, ayaw. I wish.